All right, guys, we have a Hot Wheels monster truck Lion Share. Love the gold paint. Got another one of these. All right, let's see what we got. Can't be able to get that one out, probably. Okay. Get that over there. Get rid of the plastic. Put that there. Take care of speed bump first. These are cool. I got my first one in a, it looks like a Buick, I'm going to say, but I'm not sure. It just says speed bump. Green wheels, all crushed up. Very nice. But this is the one everybody wants to see. Look at that thing. That's nice. All metal. Beautiful artwork. I mean, this thing, they spared no expense for this. Another GMC product, looks like. Very nice. Nice rims. Just sharp. That is cool. Absolutely, guys. What do you think of that? Loving those monster trucks. Thanks for watching, guys.